Alright, welcome back to our vertebrate series based on Pisces, Amphibians, and Reptiles. We stopped at question 40 the last time. We'll continue from question 41. The order of evolutionary advancement of the above vertebrate is, question 41 is option D. And I'll tell you why. Tilapia comes first before Bufo regularis. Bufo regularis is also called common toad, okay? Next is agama, which is agama lizard, and ratus is also called rat. That's its zoological name, ratus. So question 41 is option D. 42. The main function of the caudal fin in tilapia is to, option A, propel it forward in water. 43. In lizard, the lowering of the gular fold is used to. Now, the gular fold is lowered in courtship, and sometimes when the animal is frightened, it raises the knuckle crest. So most times students get this question wrong. So the lowering of the gular fold is to attract mates. Now, the one that to frighten the enemies, they raised something called the knuckle crest. The knuckle crest, it is spelled Nuchal, knuckle, then crest, crest, is raised when the male fights each other. 44. An example of a fish that activates is the lungfish. 44 is option C, is the lungfish. 45 and 46 is based on this figure here. The diagram shows that the organisms are, 45, the organisms are oviparous. Do not forget, in the last video we talked about oviparous, ovoviviparous, and also viviparous. So this organism here, this animal here, is oviparous, option C. Next question, 46. The breeding posture illustrated in this diagram is called, this breeding posture is mating. What they are doing now is called mating. 47. Which of the following is used mainly for balancing in fish? The first video we talked about all these fin, caudal fin, pectoral fin, ulnar fin, and the dorsal fin and their functions. And I asked you to take down note on them. So I wouldn't want to extend that again in this video. If you need to check, you could go back to the first video. 47 is option D here. The dorsal fin is used for balancing in water. 48. The most important characteristics that makes reptile to conquer terrestrial habitats is the possession of, 48 is option B, scaly skin. 49. The first terrestrial vertebrate evolved from, 49, the Pisces. So amphibians are the first land vertebrate, and it is believed that they evolved from Pisces, which are the fishes. Pisces is spelled Pisces. 50. The feature that makes locomotion in water easy for fish is the streamlined body. Their bodies are actually streamlined. 51 to 52, there's a diagram that is not given, so we wouldn't attempt that question. So we'll go to 53. The function of the red head in male agama lizard is to, 53. This helps to secure mates or attract female lizard for mating purposes, option A. 54. The basking of the agama lizard in the sun is due to help it rise their body temperature. 54 is option B. Remember that lizards are poikilothermic or cold-blooded. So most times in the mornings, their body temperature is very low. And so they need to step out and spread themselves under the sun a bit in order for the body temperature to be raised so that they could go about their normal daily activities. Next question. An example of poikilothermic organism is the lizard. 55 is way easy, similar to 54. The lizard is poikilothermic. And that's the end of this chapter. The next chapter will touch birds and mammals. Now, if you've been able to jot down point on this clip, I didn't actually give much point here because it's much more of a repeated questions rather. But if you have any question, maybe there's one question here that's not clear, drop your question in the comment section or on the WhatsApp group. If you are not part of the WhatsApp group yet, I'm going to leave the link to the WhatsApp group in the description box. You could do one thing for us. You could also invite one of your friends to come join us and learn. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.